एक्टिविटी 2। तो अगर आज आप स्कूल नहीं गए और आपको घर में ही पता लगाना है कि जो भी सोल्यूशन हमारे सामने रखे हुए हैं इनमें से कौन सा एसिड है और कौन सा बेस, तो आप कैसे पता लगाएंगे? तो चलो हम बताते हैं। सो दीज आर फाइन चॉप्ड अनियंस। एंड व्हाट्स दिस? दीज आर क्लोथ स्ट्रिप्स, यानी कपड़े के टुकड़े। और इन क्लोथ स्ट्रिप्स का यूज हम करेंगे पता लगाने के लिए कि कौन सा सोल्यूशन एसिड है और कौन सा बेस। तो चलो करते हैं। Take some finely chopped onions in plastic bag along with some strips of clean cloth. Now tie up the bag tightly and leave overnight in fridge. Next day, open the plastic bag, take out the cloth strips and smell it. Can you feel the odor of onion? Yes. Now put some drops of HCl on one cloth strip and smell it again. Oh, still we can sense the onion smell. But if we put some drops of NaOH on other cloth strip, now there is no smell of onion. That means smell is disappeared. So it was a base. So by this experiment we can get to know that which solution is acidic and which solution is basic. So we can do the same experiment with vanilla essence. Just sense the smell of vanilla. Now add HCl in one test tube. Add few drops of vanilla essence in test tube. Now again sense the smell of vanilla. The smell of vanilla is still there. That means HCl is acidic. But if we add NaOH in test tube, now add few drops of vanilla essence. The smell is disappeared. That means NaOH is a base. Now we are going to repeat the same experiment with clove oil. Now add HCl in one test tube. Add 2 drops of clove oil in test tubes. Smell is still there. But if we add NaOH in other tube, add 2 drops of clove oil in. Smell of clove oil has been disappeared. This indicates that NaOH is a base and HCl is an acid. So we can find out by clove oil, vanilla essence and by onion that which solution is acidic and which solution is basic. That's why they are called as olfactory indicators.